When you think about prison, you probably picture murderers, drug dealers, or thieves. But what about rapper, an action movie star, or even America's most infamous gangster? Yep, all of them ended up behind bars because of taxes. Now, before we dive into these shocking true stories, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Inna Volovik, an IRS Enrolled Agent and founder of Solution 8020, a tax firm that focuses on helping people stay out of trouble and keep more money legally in their pockets. Today, I'm going to share real stories of people who went to jail for IRS problems, and most importantly, how you can avoid making the same mistakes. So let's jump in. Al Capone, America's most feared man caught by the IRS. In the 1930s, Al Capone ruled Chicago with fear. He controlled underground alcohol, gambling, and prostitution. The FBI tried for years to link him to crimes and failed. But then came the IRS. They proved that Capone wasn't paying taxes on illegal earnings. He never filed a return, even though he spent millions. Officially, tax evasion. In reality, the government took down the most dangerous man in America with paperwork. 11 years in prison, not for murder, for unpaid taxes. Wesley Snipes, action star who said no to taxes. You know him from Blade, Demolition Man, Passenger 57, millions in income, a lavish lifestyle. But Snipes bought into a strange idea. He believed a group that claimed federal taxes were illegal and voluntary. So he just stopped filing returns for 6 years. He earned over $37 million during that time. Result? 3 years in federal prison. The court didn't care that he was a celebrity, and afterwards, Snipes admitted, "That was the dumbest choice of my life." Lauryn Hill, singer, who said taxes were a moral obstacle. Grammy's platinum albums, cultural icon. But in 2013, Lauryn Hill said she withdrew from industry to protect her family from systems that was deeply unjust, including from taxes. She failed to pay taxes for 3 years, despite earnings of $1.8 million. Her defense? Philosophy, personal crisis, moral conflict. The judge responded, "That's all fine, but the law applies to everyone." 3 months in federal prison and over $550 owed to the government. The IRS doesn't care about lyrics. They actually care about numbers. Richard Hutcherson, millionaire builder who burned IRS letters. He built a fortune in construction. But Hutcherson believed the government had no right to his money. When the IRS sent demands, he burned them on video. He even wrote, "Your laws don't apply, I'm a free man." The result, 5 years in prison, total asset seizure, permanent business ban. Whether you agree with the system or not, to the IRS, you either pay or you go away. What should regular people know? Ignoring IRS doesn't work. They will warn you, they will fine you, then sue you or prosecute you. Believing taxes are illegal won't help. Even if you truly think you don't owe anything, the court will still convict you. Fame won't protect you. If Lauryn Hill, Wesley Snipes, and Al Capone went to prison, you're definitely not immune. And a conclusion, tax prison isn't a myth. It's a real risk for people who try to cheat, forget, or fight with the IRS. Subscribe if you want to learn more how legally lower your taxes, avoid traps, and make sure your name never ends up in one of these stories. And let me know in the comments which case surprised you the most.